Hello, I'm Nadeem Iqbal, and today I'm going to talk about how artificial intelligence can be used in scheduling. The project management industry has been disrupted by the advancement in AI. Modern AI tools can now predict project risks, automate repetitive work, summarize meeting notes, and optimize resource allocation. These tools are revolutionizing project scheduling, an area where traditional project management software has fallen short. Unlike conventional tools, AI powered solutions consider calendar commitments like appointments and personal engagements, automatically readjusting when plan changes. So, artificial intelligence is being extensively used in scheduling um, tasks, and we are going to discuss how artificial intelligence can help us in projects from the perspective of scheduling. Understanding project schedules. A well-defined project schedule serves as the backbone of successful project execution. It provides clarity on what needs to be done, when it should be completed, and who is responsible for each task, enabling teams to work efficiently towards common goal. So, as a definition of a project schedule, it should have a laid out plan created ahead of time that includes all individual tasks needed to complete a project. And the details can include specific instruction of task completion, time allocation, deadlines, and the sequence and assignments. How artificial intelligence enhances project scheduling, improved accuracy. It better estimates for task durations and project timelines based on historical data. Optimized resource allocation. It ensures the right people are assigned to the right tasks at the right time. Dependency management. Enhanced ability to manage task, dependency, and potential bottlenecks. Real-time adjustments automatically updates schedules based on project progress and changing requirements. So these are the different areas how artificial intelligence can help in project scheduling. You see, when you are preparing a schedule, the schedule is based on the historical estimates on how much time and a specific task would take. So artificial intelligence helps us to come up with those estimates of time taken to complete some tasks with more accuracy. Now, you are going to assign resources on the tasks. How much resources you are going to allocate to the task will be dependent on the historical data. So, artificial intelligence can help us optimize those resources. And similarly, the dependency of the tasks on each other is also uh, well handled by artificial intelligence tools. Benefits of artificial intelligence project scheduling. By embracing artificial intelligence project scheduling, organizations can transform their project management approach, leading to better outcomes and more efficient use of resources while fostering a culture of data driven decision making. So, here is if you look at the benefits from a pyramid perspective, it would have increased agility, so faster adaptation to changing project condition. So whenever the project conditions change, what could be the changes in the project condition? The resources could change, the priorities could change. So whenever there is a changing project conditions, you modify it in the tool and it can quickly adapt to that change. Data-driven approach, more informed decision making based on analytics. So the decisions that are taken by the tool They are based on the historical data, and the historical data is analyzed and then the decision is taken. Reduced costs, lower expenses from delays and mismanaged resources. So it will impact not only the schedule, but also it is going to reduce the costs because the resources would be managed um, and optimized correctly, and that's going to reduce your resources, the costs. Improved success rates, higher project completion, and the goal achievement. How AI project scheduling works. AI project scheduling tools employ sophisticated machine learning techniques to create optimal schedules by considering task priority, duration, deadlines, and dependencies, resulting in more accurate and efficient project planning. So, so the machine learning techniques are used to have an optimal schedule. The schedules are and would include data analysis, processes historical project data, and real-time inputs. Schedule generation creates optimal schedules based on the multiple factors. Pattern recognition identifies trends and predicts potential issues. Algorithm application, it applies advanced algorithm to optimize the schedules. So the data analysis done based on the historical data, the pattern recognition is done of it, so based on the trends and predicts the potential issues. Then algorithm is applied to all that data, and a schedule is generated. Key factors in artificial intelligence project scheduling. Task priority. AI algorithms determines which tasks are more critical. Task duration. Historical data in real-time inputs help accurately estimate time. Deadline. Systems ensure tasks are scheduled to meet project deadlines. Dependency. Algorithms identify and manage task relationships. So with all these things, task priority, how long it's going to take to do the task, what are the deadlines, and which tasks are dependent on all these other tasks. All these are the key factors in scheduling a project using artificial intelligence tool. Motion, leading AI project scheduling tool. AI Motion stands out as the top AI project scheduling tool. It offers a comprehensive solution that functions as a task manager, project manager, calendar, and focus tool. Its intelligent planning capabilities make it ideal for both individual professional and enterprise teams. It has got artificial intelligence powered planning, automatic rescheduling, and team integration. AI versus traditional project scheduling. The contrast between traditional and AI project scheduling highlights the significant adaptation advantages of adopting AI-powered tools. While traditional methods rely on manual processes that are time-consuming and error-prone, AI scheduling leverages data and algorithms to create more efficient and adaptive project plans. So, in the past, you see the schedules were developed manually. So that while developing the schedules manually, historical data was looked at, and the schedulers would manually adjust and modify the schedules and optimize it. So there is a fair possibility of human errors. So with AI, that human error is reduced. AI scheduling automatically schedule processes. It's significantly faster execution, and it reduces the human error. Dynamic and easily adjustable. It optimizes based on multiple factors. Common questions about AI project scheduling. Are humans still needed? How AI handles changing dependencies? Is AI scheduling suitable for all the projects? So do we still need humans? Yes, while 77% fear job losses due to AI, Forbes report AI is expected to create approximately 97 million new jobs globally. Roles will evolve rather than disappear. So humans would still be required. It's not that AI is going to completely replace the humans, but we will have to right size, or the humans need to adapt AI and use AI as a tool for doing their jobs. How AI handles changing dependencies. AI continuously analyzes project data and dependencies. It automatically adjusts schedules to accommodate changes in real time. So it automatically modifies this. The human intervention is minimal. So as long as the data comes in, the AI tool modifies the schedule accordingly. Is AI scheduling suitable for all projects? AI scheduling benefits projects of all size, but it's especially valuable for complex projects with multiple dependencies and tight deadlines. So for if there are projects which have tight deadlines, and it's very complex, and it's by complex being complex projects, so there is the human intervention might result in errors, might result in inefficiency. For in those type of projects, we can benefit from AI. Future of project management with AI. AI project scheduling is transforming project management by enhancing efficiency and accuracy. By leveraging artificial intelligence, project management managers can automate many time-consuming and error-prone tasks associated with traditional methods. This evolution allows teams to focus on strategic aspects like risk management, stakeholder communication, and leadership, ultimately leading to a more successful project outcomes and innovative solutions. So, if artificial intelligence is used to develop schedules, then the project management managers can now not worry, they don't have to worry about the schedules. Rather, they are going to focus on risk management, stakeholder communication, and the leadership. So, it enhances, there would be an enhanced efficiencies. There's an automation of time consuming tasks, data driven scheduling decisions, more time for high value activities. Before I end my talk about scheduling, I would like to refer you to some more slides. And those slides are also related to scheduling activities. So AI brings a powerful toolkit to project scheduling through four key technologies. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical project data to identify pattern and make accurate predictions about task durations. Natural language processing enables project managers to input tasks using everyday language and extract key information. Predictive analytics combine historical data with statistical algorithm to forecast potential issues before they occur. So all these all these um, layers of technology, they help in the development of artificial intelligence for projects scheduling. So machine learning, it pattern detection for accurate predictions, natural language processing, tasks input using everyday language, predictive analysis would help in forecasting the uh, tasks or the activities. Here are some of the tools. The market now offers sophisticated AI project scheduling tools tailored to different project environments. Dart excels at intelligent task prioritization and automated resource allocations, making it ideal for agile teams juggling multiple projects. Smart Schedule focuses on intuitive natural language inputs and real-time adjustments. FutureCast PM differentiates itself from the advanced through advanced risk analysis and IoT integration. Pinpoint accuracy and superhuman efficiency. AI-powered scheduling tools achieve unprecedented level of accuracy and efficiency that human planners simply cannot match. By analyzing historical project data, these systems learn from past experiences to make remarkably accurate predictions about task duration and potential bottlenecks. So it learns from the past, it analyzes the historical project data and to make accurate predictions. When human planners might struggle to juggle more than a few variables at a time, AI simultaneously considers dozens of factors: team member skills, availability, project constraint, and dependencies. So it helps you in multitasking. Multitasking considers multiple variables simultaneously. And also it eliminates human error. It applies consistent logic and data-driven decisions. Mastering the web of complexity. Modern projects are increasingly complex webs of interconnected tasks. This is why AI truly shines. It's effortlessly mapping and managing intricate task dependency networks that would challenge even the most experienced human planners. AI creates resource plans that perfectly balances team member skills, availability, and project priorities across multiple projects simultaneously. So AI, you see, the projects are very complex. There is dependency management, mapping and managing of intricate task networks. There's a resource optimization has to be done to balance skills and availability and the priorities. And multiple project coordination is involved, which optimizes across project boundaries. Similarly, the critical path analysis needs to be done. The living schedule, living the real-time adaptability. AI transforms static project schedules into dynamic. The project's environment keeps changing, the parameters keep changing. So the schedule also becomes a living schedule instead of having it as a static schedule. Normally in projects, once they prepare the schedule, then the schedule is static for a specific period of time. Depending on the projects, some projects update the schedule on a bi-weekly basis, some on a monthly basis. But if you are using a tool such as artificial intelligence, so those schedules are automatically updated. Navigating the challenge, the data dilemma. Despite its power, AI's project scheduling faces significant challenges. The most fundamental is the data dilemma. So the biggest challenge is the data. There is a concept of garbage in, garbage out. If the quality of the data is not good, then you will not be able to have a more accurate schedules. Similarly, if the quantity of the data is less, then the schedules would not be accurate. But the bias, blind spot, and integration challenges. AI algorithms, despite their computational power, can inadvertently perpetuate or amplify human biases based in training data. If past projects were managed inefficiently, AI might learn and replicate this inefficiency. This can lead to unfair resource allocation. So, if you had prepared manually a schedule which was biased, for example, in the schedule you put, that the task, the duration of completing a specific task is, let's assume, 1 week. But the person who is creating that schedule manually, instead of putting 1 week, puts 10 days. Intentionally creates a buffer in there. So that would impact the data. Now, that specific data, when you are feeding into an artificial intelligence tool assumes that for that specific task, it is going to take you 10 days because the human being had put that data. So if you have put biased or incorrect data into an artificial intelligence tool, it is going to create biased and inaccurate schedules. So that is a challenge. Implementation roadmap and assessing readiness. Before diving into AI implementation, it is crucial to assess your organization's readiness. Start with technical infrastructure. Evaluate whether your current hardware and software environments can support AIs. Team skills assessment is equally important. So, before you jump into artificial intelligence, you need to make sure that you have the infrastructure, you have the hardware to handle the infrastructure. You need to see where the data is stored. You need to see how the data will be updated. You need to ensure that there is an integration of data from different organizations. Then you should also be you should also ensure that your team has been trained to use the artificial intelligence tool. Also, there should be a buy-in from the upper management. Once you have taken those things, then then and only then your schedule can be successful. That is all for now from artificial intelligence used in the project management scheduling. Thank you.